Welcome to the Eastern Idaho Weather Hazard Planning Briefing for Friday, December 6th. We do have quite a bit to talk about today. We do have low clouds and patchy fog across the area today, and there may be a few pockets of light snow or freezing drizzle with some very minor traffic impacts across the region. Otherwise, our focus is generally for Saturday through Sunday with mountain snow and rain or rain-snow mix in the lower elevations. We'll take a look at the satellite imagery. It is very difficult to see the low clouds and fog with this particular type of imagery across the region, but we would like to draw your attention to the big low pressure system spinning off the California and Oregon coast, and that is going to be our player coming in tonight and spreading across the region for the weekend. Looking at our weather impact matrix, you can see for just about all of East Idaho today, we have no impacts. We do have, again, that low cloud and fog across portions of the area today with some minor travel impacts. Otherwise, our focus is on the weekend. We do have precipitation shifting in very late tonight into the Central Mountains and spreading across East Idaho for Saturday through Sunday. We are expecting, again, rain and rain-snow mix in the lower elevations of the Snake Plain and the Magic Valley. Otherwise, the rest of the area should be seeing snow with some moderate travel impacts starting in the Central Mountains for Saturday and shifting to include portions of the eastern highlands, the higher elevations east of Interstate 15 to the Wyoming border for Sunday. Again, we'll take a look at those high temperatures for Saturday, and Sunday temperatures will be very similar prior to the front moving through, and you can see our daytime highs for most of the Snake River Plain will be well above freezing, so we should be seeing a rain or rain-snow mix across the area. And we'll take a look at those snowfall totals as this system shifts through. You can very clearly see on this image our focus for the precipitation in this system as it drives across the region, with the highest snowfall totals starting Saturday for the portions of the Central Mountain from Haley north to Stanley, and then shifting to include late Saturday through Sunday the eastern highlands, areas east of Interstate 15. We do have some winter weather advisories that we've issued for these areas that we've highlighted with the higher snow amounts. So for more information, please visit our website. We'll have a link at the end of the briefing, and you can see some details regarding these advisories and the exact snow totals for each of the communities and the passes through those areas. Once the front comes through, we do have one more minor complication as it drives through, and that's an increase in the winds through the Snake River Plain. Again, with those warm temperatures, it's just going to be windy with some wind gusts in the 30 to 35 mile per hour range. Some of these higher elevations in the southern and eastern highlands will be cold enough to see some snow. And again, those areas east of Interstate 15 with some of those higher totals. So blowing snow could be an issue in these areas as well. We'll glance one more time at the weather impact matrix, and we'll turn our attention to Monday and Tuesday as the storm system exits the area. We are expecting a slight cool down in temperatures, and there may be some very light lingering effects for snow in the eastern highlands. Again, those higher elevations between Interstate 15 and the Wyoming border, but we should be seeing high pressure build into the region by Tuesday. So these 2 days really looking for very little impact across the region. And in summary, again, we do have the low clouds, patchy fog today with some pockets of light snow, flurries, freezing drizzle, very, very minor travel impacts across the region. Our focus for this forecast and this briefing is for the mountain snow Saturday through Sunday. And again, reiterating rain or rain-snow mix in the valleys, including the Snake River Plain and the Magic Valley with little to no accumulations. This will conclude the briefing for today. There's our number on the screen. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. For more details with the specifics on those advisories and the exact snow totals for communities and some of the higher elevation passes, please visit our website and go ahead and click on the map. And then if you have questions or comments about the content or delivery of this briefing, please feel free to drop us an email at the address you see on the screen. Thank you for joining us today.